So today we are designing vaccine management system. Now topics will be your real life topics. So it may be COVID management system, how the hospitals are managing. So the latest topic will be vaccine management system. So I am starting with that. So my topic is now how to give a heading or a topic. Try to switch on your mic and participate in this. So it is a vaccine management system. Because of this moisture, my keys, some of the keys are not working. So while I am typing, if I miss anything, here it will be. Yes, so vaccine management system. Now what we are going to use? We are going to use today binary files and function also we will use. So whatever is given in your syllabus you have to use all. So we will use here user defined function and menu driven program I will use. So menu driven, these are compulsory. So this is over. Now next we will start with our project. So project is vaccine management system. Now first thing will be, what will be the first line in binary file? Always the first line is import pickle. Why you have imported pickle here? Because you have to use, you can write here a comment also, because you want to use dump and load function. How to use the dump function? Pickle.dump and pickle.load. So you can to use for using pickle.load function and pickle.dump function. Dump is to write, load is to read. So we will use these two functions. That's why first line is this. Now second one is, if you want to use a menu driven and you want to use exit function, then import sys you have to write. If you don't want to use while true, if you want to use, then you don't require import sys. Then for removing and renaming, today we will learn the update and delete command also function. So for that I will require os.remove and os.rename. Why? Because I will create a temp file and I will copy those files which are to be saved and which is not to be deleted in the temp file. Then the temp file has to be renamed with the original name. So I will use remove command to remove and then I will rename the temp file. So two functions. So I am using here import os, and then after this yes, now os, what comment you have to write? For os dot remove and os dot rename. So os dot remove function and os dot rename function. Now next is, I am using here import sys also. You all have created it, so you all know how to write it. Keep telling the answers. Now next is, now import.sys is over. You can write here for sys.exit function. So here I am writing for sys dot for sys dot exit function So till here all your projects will be same. Till now I haven't mentioned the domain. So till here whichever domain you are using, it may be your bank, railway, whatever it is, till here it will be same. Now I am trying to use dictionary. So you can use list, you can use series, any method you can use. I am using dictionary now. So any dictionary I have to create, I am creating an empty dictionary. I will store the data in this dictionary after taking from user. Now the first function will to write in a file. So data file I have to create. So create a data file or write in a file. So any name you can give here. Create a file, data file. So this you are creating without any argument. So function you are using here, colon. Now the block will start. Now in this function what you have to write, first you have to open a file. So to open a file, what is the command? Open, and then the name of your file, suppose vaccine I am starting with. So vaccine.dat file. Now this dat file till now it is not created. You can see here vaccine.dat file. You can search. It is not created. See, vaccine.dat file is not created till now. But when we will run this program, then you will see it will show here the dat file. So vaccine.dat file you are creating, and while writing we will open this file in append mode. So AB I am writing, A for append, B for binary. You can mention here in comment also that A for append and B for binary. In Viva also it will be asked. So I have mentioned here what is A, what is B, what is open, what is vaccine.dat. Now in this you have to take from user and you have to store in it. Now suppose one by one if you want to store directly you can write it, or many data you want to store. Suppose I want to store many data. So I am asking the user how many inputs you want to give. So here you can ask the user, enter the number of, suppose complete family is to be vaccinated. In that family 4 members are there, 5 members are there. So enter the number of person to be vaccinated. Now after that you will, after taking it, you will use a for loop, and that many times, suppose in that family 4 members are there. So for I in range n. So this for loop will be executed 4 times, as many number you will enter. Now you will start taking the details from the user. How to take the details? You will use user friendly terms. So I am using here print, enter. Now first person details, suppose you are asking to enter, so enter the detail of first person to be vaccinated. So I am writing here enter the detail. Now when you are asking to enter the details, you can mention here details of person. Now here I am mentioning which person, it will be I plus 1. Index value will be 1 less than the original, so I plus 1. Now next you will take from user and you will store in a dictionary. So how to take from user? Now in dictionary, while creating a dictionary, how you used to create it? First will be your column names and then the data. So I am using here int input 1 by 1 I am entering the datas. So first will be your vaccination is given using Aadhaar number. So Aadhaar number, and then you will ask the user to enter. So int input, enter the Aadhaar number. Wherever you are not able to understand, you just ask, tell me, I will again repeat those things. Now this is to be repeated, so you can copy paste it. Aadhaar number, name, age, whatever is being asked. So four datas I am asking from user. First is Aadhaar number, second will be your name. Now the heading, if I want to give in capital, enter your name, enter the name. Then enter age is being asked, so enter the age. And the last one will be which type of vaccine it is. Enter age and the type of vaccine. Vaccine type, so enter type of vaccine. These are the datas you are taking. Vaccine type or name of vaccine. Clear? This also I am making it short. These will be the heading. Whatever I have written in square bracket, these will be my heading of the table. So these four headings will be given in that dat file. So these datas I have asked the user to enter. Now automatically it has been stored in dictionary, but if I use list here, I have to use list in that all the datas and then append function I have to use. So here I have used dictionary. Second one I will show using list. Now you will use here pickle.dump and this dictionary in a file. So pickle.dump. Dump is used to write, and then what you want to write, dictionary you want to write, where you want to write, file. So file is there. So you have written in that file. After using dump method, your task is over. You can write here a comment. It is used to, dump is used to write. So you write here a comment that dump function, dump is used to write in a file. So the file name is given here. I have given the same name as file only. Now our task is over. So wherever you have opened it, you have to come back there and you have to close that file. You already know how to close the file. Using close function, you have to close the file. Now next function is, so this is over. You are creating the file. You are writing in, actually you are writing in a file. So write data, not create data, write data. You are writing in a file. Now next function is to display the datas. So all the datas you have to display function you will use. Same you have to I'm just copying it. I want to open a file, not in append mode, in read mode. So here this is a block, display is a block. In this you are opening a file, but now it will not be in append mode, it will be in read mode, because you will read from the file and then you will display. So you write here R for reading and B already you know for binary. So B for binary. What happened? It is not coming in its original place. This indentation should be proper, otherwise you will see your project will not run and you will your output will not be shown. Now in display function, you will read from the file and you will display it. So for reading, I have opened a file. Now I will use two methods are there, but I have already explained you try except. So today I am explaining you this method only, because when you will reach the end of the file, it may show errors. So I am using today try. In try, you will write the block, and if there is any error, then it will execute the except block. So in this, what I am doing in try, I am just displaying the data. So I will load the file and I will display it. So here you are having the file name is your file and items. So I am loading the file while true. Now for loading the file, load function I am using. So here I am giving a name, vaccination. Any name you can give here. So I have given here a short name, and then I am loading. So file dot load function I am using to load, read the file and store in a temporary. This VSC will store the data. So load is used to read from the file and store in VSC. So here load function, load is used to read and store in VSC. Over. Now next step will be, after storing it, you have to print. So we will use a print command to print this. Over. So only this much for display, but when it reaches the end of the file, now here error will be executed. So this you have to handle. Now this is the error handling tool. So what is the error here? EOF, end of file error. What is the end of file error? Once it reaches the end, E will be in capital. So once it reaches the file end, it may show error. So I am using here a error handling tool, in which I will only write pass. I don't want to do anything. Once it reaches the end of the file, it has to stop its function. So I have written here pass. Clear? Now next will be your task is over. So file dot close. Now this you have to repeat in search also. So after closing the file, you have to write a next function will be your search function. Search function. It will be same as this only, but after loading you have to use if command, and then you have to ask the user which data you want to search, and then you have to check it. So till load it will be same, and you have to ask the user which suppose you want to search for a person who is vaccinated using his Aadhaar number. So I am searching using Aadhaar number now. So I have copied this and I have pasted it here. Only what I want to search here, I will ask the user. One by one line you should be able to explain. In search, you have opened the file in read mode. Then I am asking the user int input enter Aadhaar number which is to be searched. Aadhaar number to be searched. Clear? Okay, now one mistake I have done here. Anybody can tell what mistake I have done here while entering the name? Even while entering the vaccine type also. these two are string, name and vaccine type. So you cannot write int here. Input, enter name. Yes, now it is correct. So here, if you are searching using Aadhaar number, then int you will write. If you want to search using name, so second function I will write using name, and there I will write only input, enter name to be searched. Okay? Yes. Now after that, we have to use if it is found or not. So I am using a variable here, found equals to 0. Initially it is 0, and in if I will check here. So after this you have load the file, then I will check here that if it is equal to that. So if now data you have stored in VAC. So if VAC column name was your Aadhaar number in capital you have given here, as you have given here, same way you have to write here. So this I am searching, Aadhaar number I am searching. Now if it is equal to, I have written here A. User is entering the data and I am storing in A. So if it is matching with user, then your found will become 1 and you will show it is found. So I am writing here found equals to 1, and you are printing the details, that is it is found, record found, and the record also I have to display. So print the record is stored in clear. So you are showing that, displaying that data. So this task is over, and then you, if you want, after found, if you want, you can break out, and this output is not required because after founding only you have to do it. So here after founding this is over. Now break is over, the rest will be same. If it is not found, so if found is equals to 0 means it is not found. Suppose I have given a Aadhaar number which was not vaccinated or whose data is not there, then you will write here print record not found. So directly I am writing here record not found. If you want to display also from above, you can take the data. So record not found. Over. Now you have closed the file. So this task is over. Search task is over. Now we will start with update and delete. So let us run and see whether it is being executed, getting executed or not. So menu driven program we will start with. So main program I am writing first. Let us check our main program, and then we will start with update and delete. So I am writing here main program. Now in the main program, what all things you have to do? You have to show the menu using if, you have to check, and then you have to display the data. So we are showing the menu here. Now in this one more point is there. Suppose I want to show the menu again and again. So I will use here while true to show the menu, and then I will show the menu here, print menu. Now in this menu I am using this to change the line. Now first menu is to write in a file. So write in a file. Second menu is to display the contents of a file. Third menu is to search. Fourth menu is to update. Fifth menu is to delete if any records is to be deleted, and sixth is to exit. So after every menu I am just writing slash n because I want to display the menu in a new line. So I'm using slash n for new line. Now I will ask the user to enter the choice. So choice I am asking. I have displayed the menu 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am writing here int input, enter your choice. Over. Now you will check one by one. If choice is 1, then you will call the function. This function you will call. I'm copying pasting because I don't want to make any mistake in this. Next, if choice is 2, then I want to call the display function. If choice is 3, then search function. If choice is 4, then search function is to be called on. Yes, now if choice is 4, then update function, but still now I haven't written the update function. So what I'm doing, I'm just leaving it like that. If choice is 5, delete function. I will just now, when I will write the function, then I will write here delete. Now I am simply writing pass. If choice is 6, then sys.exit. For this only I have written at the top sys. So this is over. Now one more thing I want to do is just to see whether it is properly exiting or not. I am writing here some message. Any message, have a nice day. Any message you can write here, have a nice day. Now let us execute and see whether it is being executed. Yes. So you can see here the menu, and when I will write 1, enter your choice 1. Now it is writing in a file. So for that it is asking how many person to be vaccinated. Suppose 3 person is in my family, so I will write 3. Then Aadhaar number, suppose Aadhaar number. Now name, suppose I am writing your all names I am writing, all right. So your name I am writing here, age I am writing here, and type of vaccine, Covaxin I am writing here. Then person 2, 3 person I have given, so person 2, suppose 102 is the Aadhaar number, and then your age I am writing, and vaccine, suppose it is Covishield, so Covishield. Now third person it is asking, so 103. Then name it is asking, so age it is asking, and vaccine, Covaxin. I am entering here false data, but when you will do it, you enter your original data of your family. Next is enter your choice. So 2 I am mentioning here. Now here you can see what type of error, display load. So object has no attributes. So some mistake I have done here. You just go and see what mistake I have done here. Let's see. Load function of display. Now file I have opened in read mode. Before that I have closed it, and after coming here file dot load function, this typing mistake I have done here. File dot load. Let me check out what is the mistake here. Anybody who can tell? File name is to be written pickle.load. Yes. So this mistake I have done here. It is pickle.load, and in this you have to mention it was file, so it will be file. Now here also in search also I have done the same mistake. It is pickle.load and the file will be the argument. So this is correct. Now again I am running it. So display to, now it is correct. It is showing here. See the output, it is showing here 3 data. So display is correct. Now search is 3. So I am searching. Suppose I want to search 102. Now you can see record found. So it is executed, record found, and the second data it is showing. So this is being executed. There is no problem in this. So this is your project. Now the next step will be update and delete. So def update and delete. So let me check whether it is being, because some of you, yes, it is being recorded. So update we will start with. Now def update. Now in this also you have to open the file. You have to, after opening the file, you have to open a temp file. You have to take which record is to be updated, and then you will update that record. So first let me open the file. Same method. So I am opening the file in read mode. Correct. Now I have to open one more file. Now this indentation, whenever it is showing error, you just check it. Otherwise, if indentation error will be there, your program will not get executed. Now I am opening a second one. I am naming F here. This is a temp file. Open. Now temp file will be temp.dat, and it will be in append mode because I want to write in the temporary file after updating. So file I have opened in read mode from which you want to read, and then the second one I have opened temp in write. So append mode I have opened it. Now I will ask the user which Aadhaar number, as per Aadhaar number, which record is to be updated. So A I have given here int input, enter the Aadhaar number whose record is to be updated. So you have asked the user to enter which record is to be updated, and then we will search using that. So if I will use, and I will search using, so same thing I am doing here. If, same thing I am copying from here and I am pasting it here. So I have used here which record is to be updated, then found equals to 0, then in try block, while true, I am loading and I am checking which Aadhaar number is to be updated. After that you will ask to enter the new details. so which is to be updated. Enter. Now you will ask the new data. Enter new. Enter. T is not functioning. Enter new details. Yes. Now when you are entering the new details, it is same as writing. So I am simply copying from here, as all this will be same. So in this dictionary you are copying and then you will dump in that file. So simply you will copy and dump also. You copy it from here till close, and dump also I am copying and I am pasting it here. So after print new details, this will be indented. So I am indenting this. Yes. Now see, after you have asked the user to enter new details, then you are asking the Aadhaar. So this you don't require. You are asking the Aadhaar number, name, age, vaccine type, and you are writing in the file. So till here you are updating in. Now not in that file you have to write. You have to write in temporary file. So temporary file is your F, so you have to write in the temporary file. And if it is not matching, then you don't have to take anything directly, you have to dump it. So under if I am writing here else, and the other records which are not matching directly, you will write it. So for writing I am using here pickle, and I am writing it here. So this is over. Writing task is over. Now you will come out of it, and then under try you will write accept and pass. Then you will close the two files. So accept also I am copying it from here, and under try block, so try you will come. So this I have written. Now you will close both the files which you have opened here. File.close, f.close. So file.close. Once you understand update, then delete is same as update. So only this will take little bit time. So file.close and f.close. So you have closed the two files. Now your task is you have to rename. So before renaming you have to remove. So os.remove, what you have to remove here? The original file. What is the name of your original file? Vaccine.dat is your original file, and temporary file is your temp.dat. So I am removing my original file vaccine.dat, and I am renaming. So os.rename. Yes, now in renaming, first you have to give the original and then your rename the temp file. So your temp file is temp.dat. You want to rename it with the new name as vaccine.dat. Over. So you have renamed it. Now after renaming you want to display the records which is being updated. So I am simply copying all the displaying of records. So here from display I am copying this, because after updating I want to display. So same task I have to do here. That is, I have to open the file in read mode. While true, I will load the records and I will display. So this is over. Display is over. So only this much for update. So this is over, update function. Now next one is delete. Now see carefully how I am changing it. I will simply copy paste it from update. Delete is doing the same task. So here delete is doing the same task. So I am just simply copying my update one completely. I am copying from here and I am pasting here in delete. Clear? Only what you have to do is the record which is matching is not to be written, that is to be deleted. So here I will simply remove this step. Till now the record which was matching, I was updating it, but now what I am doing, I am simply deleting it and writing here pass. That is the record which is to be deleted, which is matching here. Here enter Aadhaar number to be deleted. So the Aadhaar number which is to be deleted will be deleted. Now one more thing, if the Aadhaar number is not found, so here found equals to 0 I have written here, and if it is not found, found will remain 0 only. So no records was there to be deleted. So here you can do one more thing. You can write here found equals to 1. It is not required now, so I am not writing now. I will show you that also. That previous one also, found I have written here, found equals to 0. If you found that record, then you will write here found equals to 1. Found equals to 1. And then you will check here, if found equals to 0, then no records has been updated as the Aadhaar number was not present. So after your task is over, you can write here that no, you can check here, if found equals to 1, then it is updated. If found equals to 0, it is not updated. Clear? So here also same thing, if found equals to 1, if you are writing here, then you will write found equals to 1. If you are writing, you will check here, if found equals to 0, then no records has been deleted. So after the close also you can write here, if found equals to 0, then no records has been deleted. So I am printing a message here to make it user friendly, that no records has been deleted. So this is the end of your project. Now I am removing this space, and in main program, instead of pass, I will write here update now, as I have created the update function, and this will be your delete. So delete. Now this today whatever we have done, this is very important, because your complete Viva will be, your practical will be on this binary file you will get in question paper in board exam, as well as your project is on this, as well as your 4 marks 5 marks question is on this binary file handling. So try to understand each and every step, how to write, how to display, how to search, then how to update, this is update, then how to delete it. Now we will execute this and we will see whether it is functioning or not. So let me execute it. Now this program in Anaconda, sometimes you have to, so I am executing my file. Run. Yes. Now you can see the menu here. So one, again you can append in that file, like 3 records you have already entered, the 4th record you can enter. Using 1, using 2, you can display all the 3 records. Using 3, you can enter the Aadhaar number to search. Suppose 103 you want to search, it is showing 103. Using 4 and 5 we haven't checked till now. Let us see. Now suppose this 103, it was not Covaxin, it was Covishield. So I'm entering here 103. I want to change Covaxin, like Rupam. Vaccine type was Covaxin. Now I want to change it. So I'm changing, enter the new details. I'm keeping this Aadhaar number is same. Name also I am keeping same. Age also I am keeping same. And vaccine type, instead of Covaxin, Covishield. Enter. Now you can see here the data. Now it is showing here the process cannot access the file because it is being used. Okay, so we were already using the file in my previous one. The previous one I have to close it and then leave. So previous one I have to close it and then I have to execute it. This one, let me execute it. Now I will try to update again. So 4 I have given here. Again the Aadhaar number which is to be updated and the data of new data. So new data, it was Rupam, age was 16 and the vaccine type was Covishield. Enter. The process cannot access, but we have closed here vaccine, we have opened it. No, it is being used by, okay, we will change the name. If suppose in your project this type of error happens, simply you rename it and then I will show you, it will get executed. It is used by some other program. In some of the softwares it can show these. So carefully see wherever the names have been written, I have renamed it. Yes, over. Now again I am running the program, but in my vaccine one nothing is being written, so I have to write again. So 1 or 2 datas I have to enter. So I am entering here 2 datas. Suppose Aadhaar number is 201. Name is, suppose I'm being vaccinated or your class members only, let it be Rupak. Now short I am giving vaccine type Covaxin. I'm writing like this, Covac and Covi. Covac and Covi I will write. Second person 10202 and the name is Shirisha and age and vaccine is Covi. Enter. Now enter your choice to display. It is displaying the 2. 3, it is searching the records. Suppose 202, it will found. If you write 203, then it will not found. That also you can check it. 3, search. In this, if you write 203, it will write here not found. See, record not found. Then update is your 4. So update Aadhaar number. Suppose 201. 201. I want to update. 201 was. Now name, if you want, if you are asked to change any name also, suppose I want to change the name also, so that also you can do. Name also you want to change, age also you want to change, suppose age also you want to change. So whatever you will change, that it will change. And this also I want to change to Covishield, so it will change. See, it is updated here. You can see Oh, in display function, I have forgotten to change the name. So I have to change the name of display. It is showing vaccine. So here I haven't given vaccine 1 in display. So here it is in display vaccine 1. I have to give vaccine 1 in display, otherwise it will show the data of vaccine only. So vaccine 1 is to be displayed. Now let me run and see. Whenever you are editing in this Anaconda Jupyter, after editing, actually ideally was creating, let me see in ideally once. Ideally import was not functioning previously.
मैम
Yes.
मैम ये ब्लैक वाला रन के बाद जो आइकन है वो वाला दबाने से ठीक हो जाएगा?
कौन सा वाला बताओ तो एक बार, रुको। हाँ, इसको करने से हो जाएगा।
यस मैम। मैम
आया? अच्छा रुको, मैं देखती हूँ। हाँ, आ गया, थैंक यू। चलो, अब हम लोग अपडेट कर रहे थे, अपडेट करके डिस्प्ले करा रहे थे, ठीक है। क्या एरर दिखा रहा है? एक काम करते हैं ना, उसी में कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि वो मेरी गलती थी। मैंने यहाँ पे वैक्सीन 1 की जगह मैंने वैक्सीन लिखा था। बाकी तो रन हो जा रहा है, खाली मेरे को अपडेट और डिलीट तुमको दिखाना है, जल्दी से हो जाएगा। इसमें एक्चुअली ये प्रॉब्लम वहाँ नहीं आता है। न्यू फाइल में, लेकिन फिर से वो बोलेगा कि ये पहले से यूज़ हो रहा है, इसलिए फिर से इसको दूसरा नाम दो। एक बार देख लेते हैं रन करा के। अगर वो बोलता है कि पहले से यूज़ हो रहा है, 4 नंबर 4, आधार नंबर टू बी अपडेटेड 202, नहीं, सेम लिस्ट इंडाइसेस मस्ट बी इंटीजर्स। क्या हो गया? 202 के बाद स्पेस आ गया था क्या? 4 updated, enter, Aadhaar number is 20, suppose 1, enter, इंटीजर को नहीं ले रहा है अभी, तो दूसरा एरर दिखा रहा है। इसको क्रिएट कर लेते हैं एक बार। वैक्सीन 1 को मैं 2 कर देती हूँ, फिर हो जाएगा, प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा। आइडियली एक्चुअली इसमें रन नहीं कर रहा था, ये सब प्रॉब्लम आइडियली में नहीं आता है। आइडियली अभी खुल गया था, तो एक बार ट्राई करके देख लेते हैं ना, अगर रन हो जाता है तो। आइडियली में पिप इंस्टॉल नहीं किया हुआ था, तो इसको सेव एज कर देते हैं। हम लोग आज क्या कर रहे हैं? वैक्सीन कर रहे हैं। हाँ, अब रन कर देते हैं। अपडेट, अच्छा इसमें तो पूरा ही करना है, तो 1 राइट करना है, नंबर ऑफ पर्सन 2, डिटेल 301, नेम इसमें अभी मैं ABC ऐसे ही नाम डाल दे रही हूँ, ठीक है। ABC, एज, वैक्सीन टाइप कोवैक्सीन, फिर पर्सन 2 का 301 था, 302 डाल दे रहे हैं, XYZ और 22 एज। इसको फुल स्क्रीन करके वैक्सीन टाइप इसमें कोवी, एंटर, डिस्प्ले 2, ठीक है। फिर 3 सर्च 301, ठीक है। फिर से अगर सर्च में अगर हम 303 नॉट फाउंड, ये भी ठीक है। फिर 4 में हमको 302 को कोवैक को उठा के कोवी करना, 301, तो 301 न्यू डिटेल्स में 301 ही रहेगा। नेम हमारा उसका 301 का ABC और 19 था एज, तो यहाँ पे हमने ABC रखा, 19 ही एज रखा। खाली हमने वैक्सीन टाइप यहाँ पे कोवैक दिया था, इसको हमने कोवी कर दिया है। एंटर, वेरी गुड, चल गया, ठीक है। तो ये अपडेट फंक्शन, लेकिन ये दोनों 301 हो गया है, दोनों ABC हो गया है। डिस्प्ले को देख लो एक बार, 2 नंबर हमने अपडेट किसको किया, 301 को अपडेट किया। अच्छा ठीक है, हमारा दोनों ही 301 हो गया, दोनों ही ये हो गया। हम एक 302 इसको चेंज कर देते हैं, लेकिन अब हम चेंज करेंगे तो दोनों ही चेंज हो जाएगा। ये कैसे हो रहा है कि दोनों क्यों हुआ, हमको एक ही को चेंज करना था और एक को 302 को हमको वैसे ही रखना था। तो कोडिंग हम एक बार देख लेते हैं। कोडिंग में हमारा जो अपडेट फंक्शन है, यहाँ पे जब हमने A से मैच कराया, उससे पहले तक डिस्प्ले में 301 302 दो अलग अलग दिखा रहा था। जब हमने मैच कराया फिर उसको लिखा, एल्स में जो मैच नहीं किया वो डायरेक्टली लिख लिया। इसको एक बार हम लोग फिर से ना डिलीट करके हम देख लेते हैं। चलो इसको हम एक बार डिलीट करके 301 को डिलीट करते हैं और डिस्प्ले करके नो रिकॉर्ड फाउंड दिखाएगा। वो डिस्प्ले में रिकॉर्ड्स नहीं है, वहाँ पे थोड़ा यूज़र फ्रेंडली बनाना पड़ेगा हमको, ठीक है। अब फिर से हम 1 डाल रहे हैं, 2% डाल रहे हैं, 1 आधार नंबर है, A नेम है, एज 11 है, वैक्सीन टाइप इसमें कोवैक है। फिर 2 नंबर है, इसमें B नाम है, 21 एज, वैक्सीन टाइप इज कोवी, एंड देन यू आर डिस्प्लेइंग इट। तो 1 और 2 करेक्ट है। हमारा प्रॉब्लम अपडेट चेक करना है। अपडेट में आधार नंबर हमको 2 को चेंज करना है, तो 2 में हमने आधार नंबर सेम रखा, नेम हमने B के जगह पे Z कर दिया है, एज 21 सेम रख रहे हैं, वैक्सीन हमने कोवैक कर दिया। अब हमने एंटर किया, ये दोनों आधार नंबर जो है दोनों में आधार नंबर और एज चेंज हो गया है। नहीं, एज तो सेम है, कैसे हो रहा है। कोवैक हमने Z को हमने कोवैक किया और इसने 1 को चेंज कर दिया, ठीक है। अपडेट में प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, डिलीट काम कर गया था। डिलीट में हमको अभी तो आधार नंबर से डिलीट होगा, हम 1 करके एक और अपेंड कर देते हैं, 1 करके एक एंटर कर लेते हैं, आधार नंबर 3 को एंटर कर लेते हैं, X एंटर करके एज इसमें 7 डाल के कोवी डाल देते हैं और डिस्प्ले करने के लिए हमने, ठीक है। अब हम इसमें एक ये 2 को डिलीट या 3 को डिलीट करके देखते हैं 3 डिलीट हो रहा है कि नहीं। तो एंटर योर चॉइस में हमको डिलीट चेक करना है, तो 5 हमने दिया, 5 देने के बाद हमने आधार नंबर 3 दिया, तो 3 ये एरर है यहाँ पे। ठीक है, तुमको यहाँ पे एरर दिख रहा है, डिलीट में भी ये सेम हो जा रहा है, इसमें अपडेट हो जा रहा है, और उसके बाद जो वो वाला रिकॉर्ड है वो वैसे ही रख रहा है, उसी को रिपीट कर दे रहा है। तो इसमें हमको प्रोग्राम देखना पड़ेगा, डिलीट का प्रोग्राम, क्योंकि पहले हमने यही सेम प्रोग्राम यूज़ किया था और ये रन हो गया था। हमारा जो पुराना वाला है हम दिखा देते हैं एक बार। ये जो पुराना है इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, चार्जर चाहिए। ओके, यस, ये जो पुराना प्रोग्राम था हमारा, इसमें हमारा अपडेट और डिलीट, इसको एक बार देख लेते हैं चेक करके। डिस्प्ले में हमारे रिकॉर्ड्स 101, 102, 103, ठीक है। तो हम सपोज 102 लैपटॉप का रेट 40,000 के जगह 50,000 देना चाहते हैं। तो ये अगर हम अपडेट करते हैं यहाँ पे 4 नंबर डाल के, तो किस आइटम को अपडेट करना है, 102 डालेंगे हम इसमें। आइटम नंबर सेम रहेगा 102, आइटम नेम हमारा लैपटॉप ही रहेगा, तो लैपटॉप ही रख रहे हैं, खाली कैपिटल लेटर हमने कर दिया। रेट हमने 50,000 डाल दिया था, एंड देन क्वांटिटी इट इज 8, और यू कैन चेंज ऑल्सो। एंटर, यस, अपडेट में अभी ये एरर दिखा रहा है, टेम्प रीनेम में एरर दिखा रहा है, temp file and item 1. Item 1 is there because it is displaying. Let us see if the name is same here. Item 1 is the name of the file. It is displaying item 1 only and temp. Okay. So our previous program is running and in that temp file is already there. Maybe because of that it is showing. So update and delete let us do in our next class. Till write, display and search. Till here it is getting executed in all the three. So whichever is your project, till search you, next class you will run and you will execute and you will explain it, present your project. And update and delete, let me correct it, let me explain it once in your class, and then you will explain in your next class, because previously it was getting executed. Okay, yeah, here F1, F2, with F2 temp we were doing it. Coding is correct, maybe somewhere little bit mistake we have done. Today your class time is over. Let us stop here now, and then